Monstera punctulata, unveiling the allure of this rare beauty. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the world of the Monstera punctulata, a captivating epiphytic gem that has stolen the hearts of many plant enthusiasts. This rare Monstera species boasts stunning features and unique care requirements. So, buckle up as we explore the enchanting Monstera punctulata. What is a Monstera punctulata? The Monstera punctulata is a flowering plant belonging to the Araceae family. It hails from the tropical rainforests of southern Mexico and Central America. This climbing vine can reach a staggering height of 15 meters, 49 feet, in its natural habitat. As a juvenile, it sports a flattened stem, but maturity brings a transformation into a robust brown, subterrete stem measuring 3 to 4 centimeters. 1.2 to 1.6 inches in diameter, unveiling the Monstera punctulata's elegance. The true magic of the Monstera punctulata lies in its captivating foliage. Unlike its more common cousin, the Monstera deliciosa, Swiss cheese plant, the punctulata boasts whole, heart-shaped leaves in its juvenile stage. As it matures, the leaves elongate and develop stunning perforations, creating a mesmerizing interplay of light and shadow. These fenestrations, while not as pronounced as the Swiss cheese plant, add a touch of elegance and intrigue. Monstera punctulata versus Monstera dubia. The Monstera punctulata is often mistaken for its close relative, the Monstera dubia. While they share some similarities, there are key distinctions to keep an eye out for. The punctulata generally has larger, broader leaves with a rounder base compared to the dubia's more elongated, heart-shaped ones. Additionally, the punctulata's mature leaves develop fenestrations, a characteristic less prominent in the dubia. How to care for Monstera punctulata. If you're considering welcoming a Monstera punctulata into your home, here are some essential care tips. Light. This tropical beauty thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun exposure that can scorch the leaves. Water. Maintain consistent moisture, allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. As a native of the rainforest, the Monstera punctulata appreciates high humidity levels. Consider using a humidifier or grouping it with other humidity-loving plants. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, airy potting mix that allows for proper oxygen circulation to the roots. Aeroid mix, or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer applied monthly can provide a nutrient boost. Taming the climbing Monstera punctulata. Due to its climbing nature, the Monstera punctulata benefits from support as it grows. Here are some options. Moss pole. A moss pole provides a natural climbing surface for the aerial roots to attach to. Keep the moss pole moist to encourage root attachment. Tote pole. A sturdy tote pole offers a more structured support system. You can train the aerial roots to grip the pole as the plant grows. Trellis. A trellis allows the Monstera punctulata to climb vertically, creating a stunning focal point in your living space. Propagating the Monstera punctulata, sharing the allure. Sharing the beauty of your Monstera punctulata is easy. Here's how to propagate it. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem cutting with at least one node and an aerial root. Plant it in a well-draining potting mix and maintain consistent moisture for root development. Seed propagation. While less common, seed propagation is possible. However, it requires patience as germination can take several months. Common Monstera punctulata concerns. Troubleshooting tips. Yellowing leaves. This can be caused by overwatering, underwatering, or lack of light. Adjust your watering schedule and ensure the plant receives adequate indirect light. Brown leaves. Excess sunlight or underwatering can contribute to brown leaves. Check the light levels and adjust watering frequency as needed. Pests and diseases. Monstera punctulata is generally pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for common houseplant pests like mealybugs and scale. Treat them promptly with an appropriate insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. The enchanting Monstera punctulata, a rewarding addition. With its captivating foliage and unique climbing habit, the Monstera punctulata is a true gem for plant enthusiasts. By providing proper care and attention, you can cultivate a thriving Monstera punctulata that will grace your home for years to come. Remember, patience is key, especially with this rare beauty. Here are some additional points to consider. Growth rate. The Monstera punctulata is a moderately fast-growing vine compared to other Monstera varieties. Toxicity. Like many Araceae plants, the Monstera punctulata contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be mildly toxic if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Beyond the basics, creating a Monstera punctulata paradise. While the Monstera punctulata thrives indoors, here are some additional tips to create an optimal environment. Temperature. Aim for consistent temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations. Air circulation. Provide good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. However, avoid placing it directly in strong drafts. Cleaning. Regularly wipe down the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and encourage photosynthesis. The allure of the Monstera punctulata, a collector's dream. The Monstera punctulata's rarity and stunning foliage make it a coveted addition to any plant collection. With its unique growth pattern and captivating leaves, it adds a touch of the exotic to any indoor space. The final word, embracing the Monstera punctulata journey. The Monstera punctulata may require a bit more attention than its common cousins, but the rewards are undeniable. By understanding its specific needs and providing consistent care, you'll witness its transformation from a juvenile beauty to a majestic climber. So, if you're looking for a rare and captivating plant to add to your collection, the Monstera punctulata awaits.